One of the phenomena in music is octaves. Why we hear octave, it turns out that we hear logarithmically, meaning that the human ear interprets sounds in increments. So when you hear A chord, primarily is 440 hertz. That is the number of waves that occurs per cycle. Hertz was actually named music. You go in and dwell into the collision of air molecules.
So you're traveling all over the world lecturing on, these...
Not lecturing, but mostly writing and working for companies.
Writing, okay. So you just get gigs related to knowing a lot about all these subjects and being able to explain them and talk
Being
about
able
them.
to solve problems.
Okay.
I have a gift to solve problems.
But then when you're not doing that, comedy.
Yeah, you have to take psychopathology, parapsychology, because you have to take stuff like precognition, premonition, clairvoyance, lucid dream. A number of different parapsychological phenomena are augmented, modified, and
if you put a very to form the musical structure in the Western Hemisphere. One of the biggest phenomena we have in music is something like psycholinguistics, sociolinguistics, and the philosophical aspect of linguistics. We probably don't have
logarithmic, meaning that the human ear interprets sounds in increments. So